In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your crypto from your wallet to the exchange on Binance using the updated 2025 interface. Whether you're trying to get your funds ready for trading or you simply want to understand Binance's new layout without making mistakes, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know clearly and safely. First, open your Binance app on your phone and make sure you're logged in to your account. You'll usually spot the app by its yellow icon with the white Binance logo, so it's easy to find. Once the app opens, double-check that you're fully logged in. If Binance asks for two-factor authentication, complete it carefully because this step is very important for security and access. Next, once you're on Binance's home screen, look for the option labeled Transfer. You'll normally find it in the bottom navigation bar or inside the Wallet section. Tap on Transfer, and this will open the screen where you can move your crypto between wallets inside Binance. After that, you'll see options for where you're transferring from and where you're transferring to. Here, set the From option to your funding wallet or the wallet where your crypto is currently stored. Then, set the To option to your Spot wallet. This is crucial because the Spot wallet is required for trading and exchanging crypto on Binance. Now, choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Binance supports many different coins, so make sure you select the exact one you intend to move. Once selected, enter the amount you want to transfer. Always double-check the amount before moving forward, just to avoid any unnecessary mistakes. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your app is updated, confirm you're using the correct wallets, and review the details before confirming. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent unwanted issues. Once everything looks correct, tap Confirm. After that, your funds will be transferred to your Spot wallet without interruptions. You may see a short loading screen and a confirmation message, so take a moment to review it and ensure the transfer was successful. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to transfer crypto from your wallet to Binance Exchange easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with other traders who might be confused by the new Binance interface. Why not make someone's day easier?